Hello, muffins! It's Vicky. Welcome to another video. Today, I thought we could just hang out for a little bit while I make a candy single that I've been wanting to make for like a week now, and I finally have the time to do it. So we're gonna do that. And before we get started with the video, I wanted to make a quick shout out to my channel sponsors: Invader Icy, Sunflower Boy 003, Spooky Mutt, Robin is Gay, Tina Harris, and Slimy Lucy. Thank you guys so much for contributing to my channel, and if you want to join them, just check out my link tree in the description to figure out how to join. And so, in today's video, I wanted to make a bracelet of a meme that is very close to my heart. So this meme, okay, we're gonna move my little friend Toby to the side here. He was just a placeholder. Today's meme single is Wiwi. My bestie Mutt keeps calling its cat Wiwi, so it caught on to me, so now I call my cats Wiwi. And if you don't know, Wiwi is a meme. It's sort of like a nickname that the internet has assigned to a teeny tiny sculpture of a cat, like a tan tabby cat that somebody made. I don't know the artist's name, but people on the internet affectionately refer to this teeny tiny cat sculpture as Wiwi. So usually whenever I see my cat and one of my cats is being cute, I'll go, wee, wee, and wee wee. And in light of that, I really wanted to make a candy single that says El Wee Wee. Where are my W's? So that's what we're doing today. We're just gonna chill, hang out. Maybe you could make a bracelet too. Maybe it could be similar. Here we go. We are spelling it. I will tell you how to spell it. Elwiwi. So cute. And my husband sometimes calls it Le Wee Wee. So cute. Okay. So what I had in mind for this, I have a single bead that looks just like Wiwi. Here it is. It's so stinking cute. This is called a clay bead, if you wanted to search for them on the internet. Maybe search like clay beads cat. I don't know. But I only have one of these. I have a bunch of like other animals. This is the only Wiwi bead that I have, so I can only make one. And unfortunately, the hole in it is so tiny that the only string I have that fits is this clear elastic. I do not like using clear elastic, but it is what it is. It's all I got, so I'm gonna use it. So, I think I want to do like a wee wee, right? And then across from it, put the cat. And I'm gonna be using it tan and purple with like maybe some pink accents. I don't know. I haven't decided if I'm gonna use the pink or not. So, probably want to use brown, like surrounding the words. I don't know. When I'm using like letter beads, I like to put the darker color to like contrast with the white letter beads. I like to put the darker color beads around it. So there we have Wiwi. How many beads is that so far? 9 beads so far. Okay. So, and that would be like the 10th bead. So I probably need like 20 other beads. Okay. So let's start doing some of these tan beads on here. Then I'm gonna come in. I think I'll do some, like a few brown stripes. Maybe 3 and see how that goes. I don't know how many that's gonna be though. Just kind of winging it, you know? So let's see how many beads that would be. How many beads that would be? Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's gonna be too many. That's gonna be too many. Okay, so maybe not that pattern. Maybe I won't use the pink. I think I'll just keep it to the tan and brown. I don't know. Let's try. What about tan, brown, tan, pink? Something like that. Like maybe that's kind of a cute pattern. I kind of like that. I gotta cross my legs. My brain is not satisfied unless I am sitting neurodivergently. Okay. Maybe something like that would be better. It is so hot in here. Oh my gosh. I'm glad this is not gonna be a long video, probably. Okay, so what if it's like brown, tan, pink, tan? Perhaps. I think I need to move the camera closer. Closer to the beads. Perhaps it could lower. No, it can't lower any farther. That is as low as it goes. And I think I'm also zoomed all the way in. I think that's better. Yes. Okay. If you're making one too, tell me what you made in the comments. Okay, that's really cute. That's really, really cute. Ah! Oh my gosh, no! The end went all the way through. Oh. Well, that's okay, because I needed to take those off anyway. Okay. Okay, that's 6 so far. Then a pink one. Got 7. 8. 9. We'll do 9 on each side and see how that goes. Okay. Now let's do the other side. Let's do the other side and see how it comes out. So tan, pink, tan, brown. And then we'll put on the Wiwi. It's gonna go through. The hole in this bead is like really small. Okay, let's see what size that came out. I think I'd like it a little bit bigger. Okay. Now let's try it again. I added like 4 more beads. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, I think that's nice. All right, and I'm going to tie it off now. It's been so long since I used this kind of string. I usually don't. Maybe I should look into like a thinner fabric coated elastic. I have a 0.8 millimeter one, but it wasn't small enough for this. It wasn't small enough for my Wiwi bead. Wiwi, it's so cute. I'm so happy. I've had this idea in my little brain for like a week. And I'm so happy. It's finally here. A Wiwi bracelet. Oh my gosh. It's really cute. Let me know if you made El Wiwi or if you made something else. I'm actually going to put this bracelet up in my shop as well if anyone wants to pick it up. I do have one last thing I want to chat with you about before I go. Guys, I am trying to leave Texas. The political climate in the South is getting really scary. Lots of laws against queer people, against reproductive rights are being introduced and sometimes passed here, and I really want to leave before it gets any worse. So if you want to help me and my husband leave Texas, we did open a fundraiser because we're both disabled and we can't really work any more than we already do to get this extra money. So if you want to check it out, it'll be in the description below, or just check out my Etsy store or something if you want to help us out. No pressure, of course. If you can't help out, that's totally fine. Thank you for being here, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Until then, peace, love, unity, and respect.